Waking Up with
Shivraj Prashad, your host on Good Morning Grammar. This Monday, we decided to bring in a content expert from Bangalore, Diya Koshy. Diya Koshy is an old friend and has moved from being a journalist to an advisor to a content editor.
Good morning. My name is Diya and I'm a freelance editor and writer based in Bangalore. Today, we will discuss one of the most common mistakes I have noticed people making, whether it is when they are writing or speaking. It's the usage of the prepositions for versus since. Let's start with these examples. Can you tell me where the mistake is? I have been visiting her since 3 years. I have been going there for more than a week. I haven't seen him since last Wednesday. It's been going on since 5 months now. Did you guess that 1 and 4 were wrong? In both instances, the correct word is for. Let me explain why. The word since is used to describe a time period from a specific day, month, time, or event. Here are a few examples. It's been raining since 5 o'clock. I haven't eaten since breakfast today. I haven't had a holiday since January this year. In these examples, 5 o'clock, breakfast, and January are specific points in time. On the other hand, the word for is used to describe a period of time without a specific point being defined. Let's look at a few examples. It's been raining for over 4 hours now. I haven't eaten for over 6 hours. I haven't had a holiday for 8 months now. There is, however, an exception. If the word follows the time period, it's always since. Here are the same sentences using the word since. It's been 4 hours since it started raining. It's been 6 hours since I ate. It's been 8 months since I had a holiday. I really do hope these tips were helpful. I can be reached for freelance editing, writing, and voice projects at diya.george@outlook.com. That's diya.george@outlook.com. Thanks. Have a great day. Bye.
I hope what you heard was useful, but we'd love to hear from you as well. You too can feature on any episode by sending in your request or feedback with a voice message on WhatsApp on +91 962 547 5442 or via email at shivraj@brevis.in. We'd be happy to read out your message here or even play it on an entire Friday special episode. Have a good day and stay tuned for another fresh episode of Good Morning Grammar.